Hello everyone, this is Newton Dante, and I just want to share with you a short reflection on independence. Many of us have made so many comments, which is not bad. It is good. You have a point there, saying, "Oh, country blame me by celebrating 50 years of independence," but looking at the development side of it, plenty blame me stop also time before long independence. Magat sen is talk about basic services. Looking man maglong government stuff, especially our people in the remote area, which is true, and you have a point there, and I commend you for that. Continue long raising voice below you. Talk about the real challenges that is affecting the people. But this is not the time for us to talk about those challenges. This is the time for us to celebrate our country's independence. Tingim time where country blue me born along 1975, 16 September. And fast forward to this 2025, 16th of September by country blue Yumi Tanim Kama 50. It's 50 years since Yumi been kissing independence. Independence basically mean also Yumi free now. Yumi can san up leg. Yumi now is an up leg blue Yumi long work long government ronim government blue Yumi at one more business belong country and Yumi yet by the lookout team Yumi yet by Iran. Looking back to the wish and the dreams, the hopes of our founding fathers, only got big dream man and slowly walk through long kirapim kisim independence and only make so you mean no losing blood long kisim independence and display dream money come up reality long 16 September 1975 no got one problem you me die long losing blood long you me by kissing independence you me come up free and now you may stop you may your generation but now you know napa understanding this at work or tumana papa bring you me from this country working but for example this is 50 years as for me I'm only celebrating 32 years of independence. It's not 50 for me and for all of us young generation today, some of us are celebrating 20 years of independence. Some are celebrating 1, 2, 3, 10, and so on and so forth. Only for those who have been prior to the independence and to the independence period, 10 years after, and to date is 50 years. All you got was comprehensive understanding of how country blow you me come up na ironic na istapol sa mga natin. So, me time blow you me long put him aside all these comments or good comments talking about the development side of our country, basic services. Well, it point keep it only me stop. You got time blow you me long talk ha. You got all forum me stop. You me can raise him long all these forums, long all districts, communities, and long national level too. You me can raise him na by alimem government blow you me to long blotete long look na address mo display issue but for now any time blow you me long sanab one time only man one time na mamasim display day country blow you me kisim independence with that me like visim you me all get a happy 50 years of independence Papua New Guinea. May God bless us all.